Hi, welcome to Cameron Metters Art. Today I was working on a pretty cool project, so I thought I would share it with you guys. I'm working on 2 individual paintings at the same time. I'm going to be using a lot of colors for this painting, primarily greens, yellows, blues, blacks. Here's just a little peek as to the names of the colors that I'm using. And along with a ton of colors, we're going to use a ton of different brushes, from teeny brushes to big fan brushes. This is actually a makeup brush, I'm pretty sure. So in these 2 paintings, we started off with the background details. Since I am working from a reference photo in this particular painting, I went ahead and sketched out before I started painting just general areas, general structural concepts. Since I am working on 2 canvases, as I already have my color mixed up, I put down the paint on one and then I will instantly swap over to the other canvas and do the exact same thing, which keeps the colors the same, it keeps the placement similar, it works in the same order on both paintings to end up with the same result. And I'm painting with side-to-side motions for the floor because it stays flat. I'm gonna make it a little path coming down. You don't have to be, at the very beginning, you don't have to be very worried about structure. This is kind of just the shadows. We're going to come back in with the highlights later on and we'll add it on top of it. So at the shoreline, I'm just going to make the line pretty straight. Go out a little dock right here. Do the same thing on the second canvas. Now that we've got a lot of the shadow colors down, we can start adding a couple of highlights to the trees that are a little bit further away. I'm going to go ahead and start putting in some of the structures in the paintings, the buildings, the lake house, the little dock that's in it. This is where we are for right now. I'm going to take a small break, which for you only means an outfit change. So this should be the last step for painting the undertones on the painting. Then we'll have the full background and shadows completed. To paint in the houses, I'm going to be using this little flat square brush. And we finally have paint on the whole canvas. Aww. The next thing we're going to be doing is putting in all of the highlights. For all of the small details, we're going to be using a smaller brush. It's still the flat rectangular, oh my gosh. This still the flat rectangular shape. You know, the positive part about making these films is the fact that I've been going to the store with a lot less paint on my face. And I think I'm gonna call that done. Here's a good shot of it.